Alright guys, let me get you listen on this lovely Magna. Let you hear the straight pipe, the 4-into-1. But I wanted to show you something I need to address here. Every time I move it around, and I've talked about this in other videos, I'm getting some drippies on the ground. So we need to, let's see. You see that drippy right there? Drippy right there. So need to address that. And I believe what we're getting is gas. Whoever ran all these gas lines, see that there? I think what we're getting is, that's the fuel filter, and it looks disgusting, but I think the joint where the fuel filter and the gas line meet is where our little bit of drippies are coming from. So we'll put on a new gas filter, and looks like it's clean on top, mostly. Hopefully if we throw a new filter on there, we can, I don't know what we need to do, but that line looks a little bit cracked up. Not sure if it is or not, but hopefully by putting on a new filter and getting a good connection there with those lines, we won't have any more drippies. That would be ideal. So anyway, I thought I'd show you that before I mean, look at that. It looks like icky gas. It's dripping down. It's not pouring out or running out or anything, but it's enough to, we don't want it to get any worse, right? So we're gonna have to clamp off that line, crimp it so that the gas doesn't just run out, because that's gonna run straight down, empty all the entire tank if we don't crimp it. So we'll have to, I got some hose line crimp tools that will do that for us, so that we don't lose all the gas. It wouldn't be so bad on this side, because it's just going to be from here to the fuel pump, but on this end it would empty the multiple gallons of gas that are in my tank. So all right, let's get you some sound on this one. Here we are at idle. Little poppy because it's not burning all the fuel up, because it's just straight through. Though, that's like a sewing machine. Pretty solid little motorcycle. So let me see if I can get you a good look at this pipe setup. So on the Magna V4, headers come off the front, 2 of them do, and then they run to here. 2 headers come off the back. You can see those joining up right there, so that's 4, and then it comes out to 1, and then whoever did this setup just put a generic straight pipe on the back. So there's really nothing special about that, other than the fact that it directs your sound and your exhaust fumes out and to the outside. So if anybody needed to see what was going on here, it's a pretty cool setup. I know the 4-into-1s are hard to find anymore. I don't know if they still make them, but you might be able to get a hold of one. All right, so that's what that is. I'm sure if you're a manufacturing genius and a welder, you could probably set it up yourself. But let me get you a look at the, so right now, somebody set this up just with a bracket here. I don't know what all is factory here. All I know is, this is not even connected very well here. I threw some tin foil in there, and it immediately just pretty much got lost. So I could probably get some heat wrap or something and stick that in better. But what you're looking at here is just a slash cut straight pipe coming out the back. And basically, I think I've read it before, it says something about does not meet any emission standards after 82 or something like that. So anyway, it's basically just a piece of metal with a hole in it, and that's all it really is. So I think I have it. Let me show you. I think I have the proper turn signals. Oh man, I can't find them. Anyway, I think I have turn signals that are gonna do good for the back off of the 500 Shadow. So I'll be able to replace these in, I don't know, pretty soon. So anyway, show you another side of the bike here. That's the 82 750 Magna. And you heard her already. Heard her. And then you have the 50cc Baja scooter, which should be going back to the client real soon. Like I said, I want to take it for a spin, see if the larger battery makes any difference. And if it does, great. Still doesn't fit in the box. If it doesn't, I think these wires need changed because they're tiny. Got to get something bigger. I don't even know what size they are, but they are the factory wires, and I read one forum that they're too small to carry enough power to the motorcycle or the scooter, as this is. All right, so that's the two rides for this evening.